Cherries are delicious, but their pits hide something dangerous. Inside the pit is a compound called amygdalin. When your body breaks it down, it can release cyanide, the same poison used in toxins. Now, if you swallow a pit whole, it usually just passes through. But if you chew or crush them, the risk jumps. 1 or 2 chewed pits probably won't hurt you, but dozens could cause serious poisoning, even death. That's why food safety experts warn against eating them. So remember, enjoy the cherries but never chew the pit.